Hi everybody, welcome to my channel once again. Today I've got another beauty box. This one's from the UK. It is Pip Box. Pip Box costs £25.99 a month and comes with about 5 products with a total of at least £55. I've got 2 Pip boxes, one from April and one from this month. I've not got around to showing April's just due to illness and other things getting in the way, but I'm going to show them both together today. So we've got April's this size and we've got May's this one. Okay, so we'll go through April's first. So this is the leaflet that they send with everything in it and a few beauty tips on the back. Okay, so they have like a state feature product, which is the best product in the boxes. Well, that's what they think. And then there's usually 4 other products too. So I'm just going to pull them out as I find them. And the first one we've got is a foamy conditioner bar worth £6.99. It says meet your tropical escape with our Shake Your Coconuts conditioner bar with wheat proteins and coconut. It says best used with the coconut shampoo bar. Okay, I've heard of these before, but I've never really used one. I might have a shampoo one somewhere. Smells lovely. Definitely like coconut, and it's got like this symbol there, kind of like a bit of a moon, and a very handy little rope hanger. So I'm guessing you can just lather it on your hair and wet it. Does it tell you? It says place bar under running water, rub between your palms, create a lather and spread it into your hair and rinse, and then hang to dry. Pretty simple. That's the first one. And then what's this? Okay, it says ice pure, yeah, micellar water. Right, okay, I get you quite a few of these, but I mean they are good for removing makeup and just kind of refreshing. This one's £6.50, it's clear. Let's have a look at the top. So it's got like a pretty handy top where you can just kind of squirt it out onto your cleaning pad or tissue or whatever you use. And it says it's ice pure. That's that one. The next one, licorice lip oil. These seem to be in a lot of boxes too. So it says cute and day lip oil. So it smells of licorice. Not really. It's like a roller ball. I guess you kind of. Well, yeah, it's giving me a little bit more moisture on my lips. It's not really something I'd buy myself. It costs, how much did it cost? £6.50. Okay, alright, then we've got a highlighter. Highlighter singles from Dominic Paul Cosmetics at £13. Let's have a look at this. So it's kind of like a refill. I guess if you've got like a case with highlighters of this size, you can kind of refill them. You can just see that. Kind of like a golden colour. Probably not, but that's the shade it is. I suppose you could just keep it in the remove the window. I'll have to see if I can. What's it say about it's £13. It says it's individually packaged, so you can pop it in your makeup bag. Oh yeah, if I were going to put that in my bag, I'd have to maybe cut that window out or something, otherwise it'd go everywhere. But yeah, it's not a bad thing. Okay, and then the final one is the Star Feature, and it's a Mono Skin exfoliating enzyme. I have got a few products from these already and they're alright. So it's exfoliating, it contains papaya fruit, and if it's used 1 to 2 times a week after cleansing and toning, massage in and leave for 5 to 10 minutes and remove. So one of those that you can use in the bath if you're washing it off. So that's that. That's the first box from April, and I'm just moving on to the main one. So again, we've got one of these. This says the Healing and Wellness Edit, and that one was the Spring Essentials. So okay. We have, what's this? Oh, we've got some wax melts, which I love. It says Luna Sweet Coconut and Lime Fragrance. So look. And these are worth £4. Oh, I can definitely smell the lime. Definitely. Smell like the cool lime cake. It's like cute. And this one, we've got some cooling eye pads from a company that I really like. It's a vintage cosmetic company, and there's 2 of them. I won't get them out because I don't want to use them just yet, but I'm pretty sure you can see here and here, and those cost £4.99. And then what's this? We've got some natural bath oil with lavender. I guess that will help you relax. This one's £9.99 and it's a glass bottle. That's strong. Definitely got essential oil in. Very lavender. Okay, 2 more things. You've got Polar Night Moisturising Body Milk with Boreal Algae, and that one's £8 for like a body moisturiser. It's quite cool in the bottle itself. And the star product for May is, show you about that, is De-Stress Mind Rollerball Aromatherapy. It's 100% natural formulation, contains a calming blend of sweet woody frankincense, wild Moroccan chamomile, touched it directly into pulse points as needed, portable, etc, etc. It's £22 for that one. It looks like this. Kind of like roll on. Kind of lavender as well. Products like the main kind of thing with aromatherapy is kind of like lavender. But yeah, that's quite smart too. So that's my 2 boxes. All these like lovely products here. I've got 10 in total. So 10 products over 2 months, and the boxes are, I said, £25.99 a month, with over £55 worth in each. So that is the Pip box. I will put the details below. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.